What does it mean to be a divine image? God gave us our first indication of who we are in the first book of the Bible. Genesis 1 and 27 states that He created us in His image. And that is what being a divine image is about. It's about knowing who you are, whose you are, and being confident in who God created you to be. And that is what I built my brand off of over the years, encouraging and empowering women to be confident in who God created them to be through life's challenges, changes, and hardships, through providing and servicing their healthy hair care and hair loss needs, through mentorship and education, through healthy hair care products, and through helping them brand their beauty businesses. We are divine images because we were created in God's image.